everybody, it's Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you're all doing good. So today's video, as you can see from the title, it's going to be what I eat in the day, and I hope that this video could give you some idea about healthy food. Before we jump right to it, thank you so much for watching, and it will be really good if you could like, share and subscribe my channel. That will support my channel a lot. So I guess now I should jump right to the video. So after the gym, it's going to be breakfast for me. I like to go to the gym early morning, and last night I prepared the kind of like overnight porridge. It's just raw porridge and mixed with protein and put it all together. And now I'm going to put a little bit of milk. Oh yes, I put a little bit of a flavor drop. This is from my protein zero sugar flavor drop in chocolate. I'm going to put chia seed, and I have a fresh fruit which is banana and mango, and I'm going to put just a tiny bit of a sugar-free syrup in chocolate. This is my breakfast. I put a little bit of cacao nibs as well, and this is so good. For my lunch is going to be really easy one, so I prepare this pasta, and I have avocado, some limes, and like mayo, pink salt, black pepper, a tin of sweet corn. This is up to you, original flavors, some tuna, and some chili powder. While we're waiting for pasta to cook, I'm going to do salt. So I'm going to using mayo, light mayo, 2 like tablespoons of this. Lime, mix it together, and then I'm going to put a little bit of pink salt and a little bit of black pepper. Bit of chili powder. If you didn't like chili powder, so you don't have to use this one, but I would like to have some flavor. Pasta is ready, and this is for my lunch. It's really healthy. So for after tea, I'm going to have avocado and bread and a boiling egg, because I still feel full from lunch. So I'm going to have an easy meal for after tea. So like I said, boiled egg, and I'm going to pop a little bit of sweet corn and seasoning with pink salt, black pepper and chili powder. So I'm going to show you a finished look. And this is my after tea. So I think I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and see you next video. Bye!